Hello everyone. So I just noticed that there's a lot of people who are asking on my Fibisco factory video about more details on how to go and the schedule. So I just came back here in Pioneer and I'll go back to the factory so that I'll give you more details on the prices, the schedule, and the place. So the fastest way is riding the MRT or bus on EDSA and going down to SM Light. The building behind me is SM Light, and it's just 2 blocks away from SM Light. So let's go. Hello everyone, so I'm in the corner of Union and Pine Street, and behind me is Cityland, and just in front of me is the factory of Fibisco. So let's go. So I'm here now in the Fibisco factory, and currently I'll go inside and check the prices and the schedule of the factory. Now it's their break time from 12 noon to 1 p.m. So just need to wait and get a number from the guard outside. So if you want to buy more stuffs from Fibisco, there's a store here, a hidden store just beside the Jollibee in Pioneer Street. So you can buy a lot of stuffs here, and I bought a lot of stuff. So hope this video will help you on your purchase of Fibisco products and other stuffs that you want to buy here in Pioneer Street. Hope to see you soon on my next video. And if you like this video, please press the thumbs up button. If you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe and push the notification bell. And if you have any comments, please put it on the comment box below. So for now, thank you and God bless.